today I'm going to show you how to change your air conditioning filter. So what you need to do first is get your filter, and you need to have the correct size. So they're all very specific and different sizes. Mine is a 20 by 25 by 1 inch. So I have a 3-pack right here because I have 2 of these in my ceiling. My air conditioning return is in my ceiling. A lot of people's are in the wall close to the floor. Might even be in your air conditioning closet, in the door, or you might open the closet and underneath the air conditioner. There's so many places these can be located. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go up and I'm going to remove the old filter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the latches, and there's little levers, and you pull both of them out of the way. And my filter's just going to fall out because my air conditioning is not on right now. So I'm going to take my old filter out. And now I'm going to put my new filter in. And I like to put the writing to where you can see it in case you forget what size you have. That way you can get to know real quickly so you can go to the store and get the right size. So now I'm going to put this up here. It goes in here. And I have to hold it while I do it. And close it into place. And then come down from your step stool and take the dirty one out to the trash can. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.